We strapped up, ready for defense. Let's go, baby. Where does the journey lead you? Where is this taking us? We don't know. Get to the bag, secure the bag. You are the bag. Mind blown. I know that blows your mind. You think you gotta chase something, be someone you're not, but all the answers are within. That's the crazy part. We got all the answers we need is within ourselves. But are you taking the time for yourself, by yourself, to get to know yourself? Don't get distracted out here. Don't fold out here. Don't be a lame now. God didn't set you up to be like that. But you gotta develop a relationship. You gotta put yourself first. By putting yourself first, you're putting God first. Because God's in you. God is in you. Appreciate it. Realize it. And start getting to it. Days, you're gonna need to recharge. You're gonna have to just get away, clear your mind, and get one with nature. The pathway to success starts with you. Starts with you tapping into your potential, getting still, getting one with yourself, getting one with God, being in nature, walking every morning, letting that melon hit the sun. It starts with you. Taking the first step. Stepping out of your comfort zone. Being in your own thoughts. Being connected with each and every moment. Staying present. Just breathing. You're alive. Take a moment to breathe. I don't know what's next, but I am blessed. I'm letting God handle all things above me. It's above me now. It's out of my control. I give it to God, and I sit back and relax. I trust you. You got me. You won't let me fail. I give it all to you. All the glory, all the praise, all the doing. I am your servant. Whatever you need, I got you because you got me. And I know it's meant to be. So let's sit back and enjoy the company. Hey. Oh. Okay. This is all new to me too, so let's step into it. Step into your power, baby. You know what you came here to do. What you waiting for? The tree's job is just to be a tree, but you are a human with unlimited amount of potential. Your potential is limitless. It's your world. You ain't a fish, a bird, what all they can do is fly, all they can do is swim. You are a human being. What you wanna do? Boo? To be honest, I came out here to recharge, to get my mind right, to get my creativity up, to connect with nature, to connect with the source. Let this melanin glow, soak in the juices, and get to it. It's gonna just inspire me. It's gonna motivate me to go harder, to push harder. These still moments to myself, by myself, in my own head, in my own thoughts, cooking up what's next, what's to come. It's the self-love journey. I'm purpose-driven. I'm here for a reason. I gotta do it. I gotta believe in myself. I gotta be about that life for myself. Because in the end, who got you? You. Who you gotta live with? You. Who you gotta be with? You. You gotta look in the mirror. You gotta sleep by yourself. You gotta learn how to eat. Survive out here. You never know what's next. Stay on your toes. Don't fold. I invite you in. I invite you to take a moment to yourself and to be on this journey with me. Let's get connected. Let's be grateful. Let's stay in gratitude. Let's feed our mind, feed our soul, and our spirit. Much peace, much happiness, one love.